question is from probability, and it is related to the Bayes theorem, and it is like that. In a mold factory, machine A, B, C manufacture 25%, 35%, and 40% respectively of the total molds. Of their outputs, 5%, 4%, and 2% are respectively defective molds. A bolt is drawn at random from the product. If the bolt is drawn is found defective, what is the probability that is manufactured by machine A or machine C? Means what is there in the given question is like this. You have three companies, okay, A, B, and C. Three companies are there, and they produce 25% from A, the bolt is produced, and B company produces 35%, and C company produces 40% of the bolt. Okay. Now, after the production, some defect is also possible. So, out of their outputs, 5%, 4%, and 2% are defective bolts. Means this is the percentage of bolt produced. Okay, and out of that defective, let us see. Talk about the defective. From this machine A, there is defective percentage is 5%. From B, it is 4%, and from C, it is 2%. Okay, so what is this percentage of defective bolts? Okay, this much information you have given, and you have to find the probability that if the ball drawn is found defective, then it is produced by machine A or machine C. Okay, that probability you have to find out. Now this question you can solve by this also. You find the probability of machine produced by B and defective, and then subtract it from the 1. Then also you can get it. So we will do it both ways. Let us see the first one, in which we will find the bolt who is defective and it is manufactured by machine A and A or C. So let us begin. Therefore, your probability of machine produced from A is 25 by 100. Probability of the bolts produced by machine B is 35 by 100. Probability of the bolts produced by machine C is 40 by 100, isn't it? Here there is no problem. It is the given data only I am writing, okay, in the required format. Now from machine A, there is defective probability is 5%. Okay, defective number of bulbs from the machine A is 5%. So what we will do is we will write probability of the defective bolts which is produced by machine A given is here 5 upon 100. Okay, just draw a line, and probability of the defective bolts from the machine B is your 4 by 100, 4%, and probability of the defective bulb from the machine C is 2%. Okay, now you have to find the probability of the given, it is given that it is defective and produced from machine A, or probability of defective bulb given and it is produced from machine C. This you have to find out. Okay, this is the question mark. So we will find these two probabilities and then we will add those. Okay. One other way to solve this is you just find probability of defective bulbs produced by B subtracted from the 1. So first we will do this one. Okay. So you can calculate together also. How together? You just find A by T plus B C by D. Okay. So let us see how to do it. Now using the Bayes theorem, PA given defective can be written as PA into P D by A divided by the sum of all the probabilities in all the from all the companies. So D by A will also be there plus P B into P D by B plus P C into P D by C. Okay. Everything we know, we will just put the values. PA is 25 by 100 into D by A is 5 by 100, and here 25 by 100 into 5 by 100 plus PB is 35 by 100 into 4 by 100 plus PC is 40 by 100 into 2 by 100. So when you will solve this, you will get 25 5s how much? 125 by 4 zeros. Here, if you will solve it, what you will get? 25 5s are 125 plus 140 plus 80 divided by same 4 zeros. So this you will get cancelled. 125 by 345. So 5 2s are 5 5s are 5 6 are 5 9s are 25 by 69 you are getting PA by D, and you will find PC by D. So what it will happen here, you just see its formula will be P of C into P D by C divided by same thing P of A into P D by A plus P of B into P D by B plus P C into P D by C. Whole value you know, that is PC is 40 by 100, means machine volt produced from factory C. Then PD by C is 2 by 100 divided by the same thing which we have done it before. So just you can copy that also. 35 into 4 by 100 into 100 plus 40 by 100 into 2 by 100. So you will get 80 upon this, and here same way previously we have got how much? 345 na? So 345 upon this. So you will get cancelled 80 by 345. Further cancellation 9. So you are getting 16 by 69. So required probability is how much? Required probability will be the sum of 25 upon 69 plus 16 upon 69, that is 41 upon 69. Okay. Now the same answer you will get by just find the P and produced by this defective and produced from machine B, like this P of B into P D by B and divided by same way PA into P D by A plus P B into P D by B plus P C into B D by C. So this time the probability of B, the middle one, 35 by 100 into 4 by 100 divided by same way. Now I will copy the same way, 345 by this one. So you will get 140 by 345. So after cancellation, 5 2s and 5 8s. Okay, so this way you are getting 28 by 69. So required probability will be 1 minus 28 by 69. So we will remove the bolts produced from your factory B and which is defective. So you will get 69 minus 28 upon 69. So 1 and 4. So this is the same answer. Yes or no? Have you understood now? So in this way, this is alternate. Alternate. Okay. One more way of doing it is there, using the tree diagram. You have three factories. Okay. How many factories? Three. A, B, and C. Now A probability is 25 by 100. Its probability is 35 by 100 and its probability is 40 by 100. Okay. Now out of this, from A, the defective probability. What is the defective probability? Defective probability is from the this one 5, 4 and 2. So 5% is 5 by 100. And from here defective probability is 4 by 100. And from here defective probability is 2 by 100. Okay. So we will just we trying to get defective bulbs from A will give you how much? 25 by 100 into 5 by 100. And defective bulb from B is 35 by 100 into 4 by 100. And defective from C bulb is 40 by 100 into 2 by 100. So this is the total. This is total probability of defective bulbs from any company. Okay, means from all the three companies. Okay, will be what? This one 25 into 5 by 100, this plus 35 into 4 by this, and plus 40 into 2 by this. Okay, one more zero. This is the total, but you have to find that it is defective and it is from either A or C. So from either A or C, how many? From A you can see this one. This is 125 by, okay, and from C 80 upon, okay. So favorable probability is how much? You will write favorable probability is how much? 125 by this plus 80 by this. So required probability will be this whole thing, that is 1, this is 5, 205 upon, and divided by that one. That sum you already know, 345 upon this you will get. So cancelled out, 205 upon 345, so 41 by 69. Okay, so this is the tree diagram. This solve simplification is using the tree diagram. Okay, so either way you can do. Okay, here also you can first find the this b1 and then subtract it from 1 also, that is also possible. Okay, so whichever method you feel comfortable, you can go through. Thank you.